Hey guys, oh my God. So I just returned from vacation and I come back to my yard and it's a disaster. It's been raining. Within 24 hours of us returning, we had a monstrous storm. I've got yucca that's flipped upside down. I've got bushes that are leaned over. The grass is high. There's water and puddling everywhere. It just feels so overwhelming. And the thought of me having to get back out here and not start from scratch, but just there's weeds everywhere. The grass is overgrown. I'm talking about an abundance of weeds, even in the middle of the plant areas. Some of the areas that I have kind of marked off, they're covered in weeds. Who knew that 2 weeks could affect me in such a way? I'm a little overwhelmed. I'm not overly excited to get back out here, if I'm being honest. It's a little defeating. I'm beat. If you can't tell, I look really tired, and I am. The rain won't stop, and I can't get reliable help to come out here, and I feel like if I could keep the yard cut, that it'd be easier to tend to and see my items, especially all the young plants that I've recently planted before I've left. So some of my work just feels like I'm working and for no reason. But I don't know. I'm at a loss for words. So let's walk through and see exactly how bad it really is. As you can see, with no yard maintenance, with just a ton of rain, the landscaper can't come in and cut the grass. You can see there's a ton of weeds within these sweet potato beds, which I've separated with bricks. I didn't finish it because at the time I didn't feel like getting the rest of bricks from the other side of the property. They're drowning. They're turning yellow. There's weeds. I got trees falling over. Just water pools everywhere. It's flooded. Look at that. There are literally plants on its side, like everywhere throughout. It's just too much water. And that was just the first of many that you'll see as I continue to walk through. You can literally hear the water as I slosh through the yard. This is growing over. This is overgrown here. Just to walk through. Oh, shoot. Tree is growing. Wow. And I believe this is either turmeric or it's turmeric, I think. Look at this. Look at this big Is he eating my spinach? That's what it's like to live in the jungle. You just walk up on a gecko in my yard just doing whatever the hell he wants. Is that a snake? No, that's his freaking tail. Y'all see that? He eating my spinach. The spinach tree done fell. Let me get from over here. But this is what I want you to see. The yucca done fell. Is yucca sticking up out the ground. I don't know what that's about. All of my yucca trees are tilted. Look at this. This is what happens when you go on vacation. and it's raining. One is leaning. The root is sticking out, so I don't know what that's about. This tree's fell. This one, it looks like it fell on top, so this one is dangling. This one is leaning. This is big. Look how big this is. What am I supposed to do? Look at this. Honestly, y'all, I don't even know where to start. I'm very emotional in this video. I'm going high. I'm frustrated. I'm walking and seeing this for the first time right with you as you watch this video. You see that? The roots are big. This is what happens when you neglect your property. 1, 2, I think there's a third one. 1, 2, 3. I still have how many standing? That one's leaning. I have 1, 2, 3 standing. 3 leaning. And a few small ones in between. Whew. Sugar cane is still here. The gecko, did he leave? I'm sorry, y'all. I keep referring to it as a gecko. It is actually an iguana. The sugar cane is still here. Papaya is growing. I believe that is soursop. And then I have an okra standing tall. Whew. I have okra growing. 2 rows of okra, but they're not all doing well. One, 2, 3. That one is not doing well in the middle. 4, and there should have been a few more here. It's all puddles. The rain won't stop. And then I have some, it just looks really bad. So y'all will be seeing me. Let's see. I had 2 raspberries. One is dead. Both of them might be dead. And 2 jack bitters. And a mulberry. I can't tell what none of this said. Guys, I literally just did a walk through my yard. I've been on vacation and it is a disaster. I planted quite a bit of new items right before I left. Some things are here, some things I don't know what's what. All of my labels have dissipated. I can't even read them. And I am just, the amount of work I need to do to, one, just get the place in working order and weed and get all the weeds is just, then it's been raining. We had a huge storm. I don't know what to do. I'm a little overwhelmed. I'm almost intimidated to get started again. I put so much work in and I'm feeling a little defeated right now. I'm looking a mess. I don't even care. Like, to get home after being away for 2 weeks, and I was hoping for something different, but it just goes to show that it's never ending. My lawn guy hasn't come, which makes it much harder to maintain and see what's going on. I got trees and plants that done fell over. I don't know what to do. I'm just kind of like over it right now, but maybe it's just how I'm feeling in this day. And I don't know. Stay with me, join me, watch and subscribe as I not only try to clean up the damaged items, but maybe replant and continue to grow. Hopefully we'll get some sun and the rain will slow down so that the ground can dry up a bit before I lose everything. This is real life. This is real work. If you want to eat healthy and change your life and grow your own food, just know that it's work. It's a challenge. It's going to have its challenges. And I'm here for it. And so join me, subscribe, like, share. I really could use the help and support to grow. So stay tuned as I continue the journey.